Managing and monitoring Apache Spark on Kubernetes or Yarn can be a difficult and time-consuming task. But it doesn't have to be. With the right tools and processes in place, you can make managing and monitoring Apache Spark much easier and more efficient in any environment. It's time for Ilum, the Kubernetes native solution that makes it easy to deploy, monitor, and manage Apache Spark clusters. Build a real-time interaction with a Spark cluster and control a Spark session over REST API. Utilize the power of Kubernetes and migrate away from Hadoop. Monitoring and analyzing the performance of Spark jobs is essential for ensuring full observability and recognizing any potential problems. Keeping track of these jobs enables proactive measures to be taken to ensure smooth operation. Join the future of big data with our Spark Cluster Manager and Monitoring tool. It's deployable within 5 minutes. Get ahead of the competition with Apache Spark on Kubernetes and get it for free at ilum.cloud.